Easy lift equipment drum or roll haulers continue to be the most ergonomic solution for gripping, lifting, transporting, weighing, dispensing, or rotating drums or rolls since 1997. Seen here is our drum hauler with a CR extended reach clamp, featuring a battery rollout tray with charging stand. Drum and roll haulers can run continuously for up to 16 hours on a single charge. For 3-shift operations, however, we offer a battery rollout tray, featuring a removable door on the equipment along with a conveyor which the battery rests on, allowing the operator to easily remove and replace a low-charge battery. The separate battery charging stand is also available, which features 2 short conveyors designed to hold 1 additional battery and allow the operator to quickly swap the low-charge battery with a fully charged one, thus preventing downtime and loss of production. The charging stand is set to the specific height of the battery rollout tray, as battery heights may vary depending on the unit's base frame and rated capacity. Before operating any of our drum or roll handling equipment, it is important to read the manuals and become familiar with the proper operations. The following process should only be completed on a level surface. To use the battery rollout tray and charging stand, begin by positioning the drum or roll hauler alongside the charging stand. It is important to ensure that the side of the equipment that contains the battery rollout door is facing the open side of the charging stand's conveyors. If needed, it is recommended to utilize the turtle switch on the tiller handle to assist in precise positioning of your drum or roll hauler. Holding the turtle switch while using the variable speed thumb controls allows the operator to move the drum or roll hauler forward or reverse with the tiller handle in a fully upright position, as well as assisting the operator with precise positioning for placement of the equipment. Align the equipment's low-charge battery, seen on the left, with the empty conveyor on the charging stand, seen on the right. The drum or roll hauler should be placed 4 inches or less from the charging stand prior to moving any batteries. Once positioned, power down the drum or roll hauler by turning the key to the off position and engaging the red safety switch. Next, unhook the charging stand safety chain and remove the battery rollout door from the drum or roll hauler. Never remove the battery rollout door when the equipment is not positioned next to the charging stand. Place the battery rollout door in a safe location or on top of the charging stand. Disconnect the low-powered battery from the drum or roll hauler. Now, with the door removed and the battery disconnected, roll the battery from the drum or roll hauler onto the empty conveyor of the charging stand. Be aware of the placement of all battery cables to ensure they don't get pinched or tangled during this process. It is very important to utilize the provided hand grip cutouts on the battery or by placing your hands on top of the battery while moving it. Placing your hands or fingers in between the 2 batteries when moving them could cause personal injury. Once both batteries are on the charging stand, disconnect the fully charged battery from the battery charger and connect the battery charger cable to the low-powered battery to begin the charging process. Next, connect the supplied 5-foot extension cable from the drive frame of the drum or roll hauler to the fully charged battery on the charging stand, as seen here. Once the extension cable has been connected, turn the red emergency stop switch clockwise to energize the unit, and turn the key to the on position to power up the drum or roll hauler. Using the tiller handle, slowly drive the drum or roll hauler forward or reverse to align the empty battery rollout tray on the equipment to the fully charged battery on the charging stand. Again, it is recommended to utilize the turtle switch on the tiller handle to assist in precise positioning of your equipment. Once the drum or roll hauler has been properly aligned with the fully charged battery, power down the equipment by turning the key switch off and engaging the red safety switch. Then, carefully move the fully charged battery from the charging stand onto the battery rollout tray on the drum or roll hauler. Again, it is very important to utilize the provided hand grip cutouts on the battery or by placing your hands on top of the battery while moving it. Also, be aware of the placement of all the battery cables to ensure they don't get pinched or tangled during this process. Once the fully charged battery has been completely moved onto the battery rollout tray of the drum or roll hauler, replace the door on the equipment and reconnect the safety chain on the charging stand. Next, disconnect the 5-foot extension cable from the fully charged battery, then from the drum or roll hauler. Place the 5-foot extension cable in a safe location for future use. Connect the fully charged battery to the drum or roll hauler and power up the unit by turning the red emergency stop switch clockwise to energize the unit and turning the key to the on position. It is now safe to use your fully charged drum or roll hauler for your specific application. For more information on our products or to discuss the specifics of your drum or roll handling project, please contact us today.